Micronutrients are essential vitamins and minerals our body needs to function properly. Unlike macronutrients, they don't provide energy, but they support critical processes like metabolism, cell repair, and immunity. There are two main types: vitamins and minerals. Vitamins are organic compounds and minerals are inorganic compounds. Vitamins can be fat soluble or water soluble, while minerals can be classified as major or trace minerals, depending on how much our body needs. Micronutrients may be small, but they are mighty. Let's dive into some of the important functions of these micronutrients. Antioxidants like vitamin C and vitamin E, selenium, and beta carotene protect our cells from oxidative stress, which is caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules produced by factors like pollution, stress, and even normal metabolic processes. Left unchecked, they can damage our cells and lead to chronic diseases. Foods like berries, nuts, and spinach are rich in antioxidants, helping us to combat the oxidative stress. Phytochemicals are plant compounds that go beyond basic nutrition. Found in colorful fruits, vegetables, herbs, and grains, they have antioxidant and inflammatory properties. For example, flavonoids found in berries improve heart health, while polyphenols found in tea support brain function. These compounds aren't essential like vitamins and minerals, but they enhance overall wellness. Electrolytes like sodium, potassium, calcium, and magnesium are vital for maintaining fluid balance, nerve function, and muscle contraction. They ensure our body stays hydrated and our muscles work properly, especially during illness or exercise. Micronutrients are our immune system's best friend. Zinc helps fight infections, vitamin C boosts blood cell production, and vitamin A strengthens our skin and mucous membranes, which are our first line of defense. Many people do wait until they get sick to take care of their zinc or vitamin C needs. However, it's better to take care of these needs before you even fall sick. Micronutrients like B complex vitamins are essential for converting food into energy and supporting brain function. Magnesium also helps with neurotransmitter activity, keeping our mind sharp and focused. Whole grains, legumes, and dark chocolate are excellent sources for these energy and brain boosters. Calcium and vitamin D are well known for bone health, but did you know magnesium and vitamin K play a big role too? These nutrients work together to build and maintain strong bones while ensuring proper muscle contractions. To maintain optimal health, knowing the daily recommended intake for essential vitamins or minerals can help our body meet its needs. Here's a quick overview of some commonly recommended DRIs for adults. Vitamin D 600 IU or 15 micrograms, iron 8 milligrams for men and 18 milligrams for women, folate 400 microgram for most adults while increased needs during pregnancy. These DRIs serve as general guidelines, though individual needs may vary based on factors like age, gender, activity level, and specific health conditions. Micronutrient imbalances can arise due to various factors that interfere with the body's ability to either obtain, absorb, or utilize essential vitamins and minerals. Identifying these risk factors is crucial for addressing potential deficiencies. While plant-based diets are generally rich in fiber, antioxidants, and many essential nutrients, they may lack certain nutrients found in animal products, such as vitamin B12, iron, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids. Diets high in ultra-processed foods and low in whole nutrient-dense foods can lead to deficiency in fiber, magnesium, potassium, and B vitamins. Certain medical conditions can impair nutrient absorption or utilization. For example, IBS can reduce the body's ability to absorb nutrients like iron, vitamin B12, and folate from food. Thyroid disorders like hypothyroidism can lead to deficiencies in iodine, selenium, and zinc, which are crucial for proper thyroid function. Most importantly, everyday habits and environmental exposures can significantly influence micronutrient levels. Chronic stress increases the body's demand for nutrients like magnesium, B vitamins, and vitamin C, which are involved in stress response and energy production. Prolonged stress can deplete these stores, leading to imbalances. Smoking increases oxidative stress and damages cells, depleting antioxidant vitamins like vitamin C and reducing the absorption of nutrients like folate. Excessive alcohol consumption interferes with the absorption of nutrients like thiamine, vitamin B1, magnesium, zinc, and vitamin A. Over time, this can lead to deficiencies and health complications. Limited exposure to sunlight reduces the body's ability to synthesize vitamin D. Various things that can be done to create balance for micronutrients. Blood work can check levels of common micronutrients. Adding specific foods to your diet can help address deficiencies. Supplementation can fill gaps. Nutrient absorption can be supported by managing stress, enhancing gut health, and incorporating regular exercise. So, there you have it, a complete guide on micronutrients. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more tips.